Welcome to Standing Stone Learning Center. My name is Gull. Part of this practice is to be aware and get rid of, well, not get rid of, but acknowledge the constant thoughts that stream in and out of our heads, to accept them, to let them go, and over time be able to have them less and less during a meditation practice. So to help focus and keep the mind occupied on a single thing, while sitting here at the tub looking out at the trees, I was inspired to create a mindful practice using sound. Of course, we have the sound of the chimes going, and that's not necessarily part of this, but it's sort of nice having them going. And this practice is using a section of the trees. If we look out at them here, and I chose the thickest tree that is on the left of my screen. It sort of goes off into a Y shape. And then follow the trees that are closest to the tree line until you get to this one that's sort of tilting quite a bit. And what I'm doing is I'm using the trees and the intervals, the cadence, if you will, to look at each tree and to give it a sound. I don't give each tree a different sound, rather I focus on the tree, the space in between the trees. So it sort of sounds like bum, 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 bum. So I'm going along the trees like that, and you can pick your own sound. You can carry the tone, you can extend it in between the larger spaces. You can also, I tried it using a technique we use in learning how to play the hand drums, where you have the word dom for the bass, which would be your thicker trees, and tek, which would be your higher sound, a different space on the drum. But here we're using the thickness on the trees. So it would be dom, dom, tek, 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 dom, tek, 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 dom, tek, dom. I use a short section of the trees. You don't have to go long. You can just, whatever feels right. Find the place, the tree that ends it nicely, that you have a nice rhythm, you have a nice cadence, and then repeat it and continue this. You do this for like 5 minutes. Just focus on the tree, the space in between the trees, and the sound. This helps me keep the monkey mind at bay because I'm concentrating. I am focusing on the visual of the tree and the sound that I'm making and the rhythm. And that helps me be in the moment of sitting outside in nature. It keeps me in the moment of focus. As long as I don't get too caught up in the rhythm sounding wonderful and my voice sounding wonderful and just going with the flow, I find that I'm quite grounded and relaxed. So give it a try and let me know how it works out for you.